Hey everybody, good morning. Thanks for clicking on and welcome back to another beautiful day here in Waukesha County. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today we are prepping actually for the weekend. I have permission to fish on a golf course and I have a very special episode coming up. And it's got a special guest. I've talked about him in the past. You guys probably know who he is. It's not Justin. Justin's here today, but it's not who I'm talking about. But I wanted to pre-fish today because we've had some warm weather. I want to make sure the ice is in good shape. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get right on out there, check out the ice, and see if we can get on some fish. I don't like the looks of this for coming up. Oh no! I was gonna say that looked like a good 10 whacks there.
There's a bunch of whacks. It does look like there's some spots that drained in the middle, maybe from old holes.
Alright, so we did have some warmer weather, so I'm gonna spud my way out. We used a spud bar. What? Okay. Well, Justin's telling me it's thin in the middle. So you want to know your spud bar, and then you want to step pretty much where you spudded. And I know if I get 5 solid whacks with the spud, I should be good. And if you get somewhere where it's thin, you just back out right where you came from.
Woo! Look at that, baby! How much do you think it'll cost to get this thing mounted, Andrew? Oh,
Probably more than we've got.
that is a trophy.
Come on, the big ones are over there.
All right, let's go over there.
Was that your first one?
No, it was like my 5th.
Were they all about that size?
No, they were bigger than that, but they weren't big. The hole right there is about 1 inch thick,
Okay.
and that one over there is about 2. The big one over there. But other than that, everything's about 8 inches.
Yeah, I keep getting little taps, but nothing. There we go. Might even be smaller than yours.
I was gonna say that.
Well, barely a little better, not much. Yeah, not much better. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today. A bunch of really little ones. A couple of kind of weak spots in the ice, so I'm not sure if this is where I'm going to go this weekend with my special guest, because I'm bringing my kids too, and I want to be safe more than anything else. But either way, bunch of small bluegills. Not a bad place to bring kids if you just want to have some fun, catch some fish, get them the experience. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click the subscribe button, click the bell next to it to get notifications when I put my movies. Clearly, I'm still getting back in the swing of this. To get notifications when I put my videos out. These aren't movies, they're just videos. If you're local to Waukesha County, let me know in the comments section what lake you want me to fish next, because I'm still on a journey to catch a fish in every lake in Waukesha County. And make sure you stay tuned, because my next episode will have a very special guest. As always, it doesn't matter if you go around the world or go around the corner, just as long as you go fishing. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you out on the ice.